Welcome to Planet Crypto Today, your channel for news related to the world of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin may continue to rise. According to Bank of America, will BNB continue to rise after the token burn? Ripple launches a new product. SOLANA unveils its first smartphone. UNISWAP launches new wallet. Security alert in MetaMask.
If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it.
Bitcoin may continue to rise. According to Bank of America, the bank believes that Bitcoin's early 2023 increase, which saw it touch $31,000, may not be over. The bank's strategists evaluated the upward trend based on transfers between cryptocurrency exchanges and individual wallets, and observed that a net value of $368 million in Bitcoin was transferred to individual wallets in the week ending April 4th. The bank's analysts believe this may reduce selling pressure, as investors planning to hold on to their coins move them from exchange wallets to personal wallets. Additionally, some economists argue that riskier investments like Bitcoin could benefit from forecasts of a future reduction in interest rates by the Federal Reserve. The price of BTC has risen 24% in a month, despite losing more than a quarter of its value compared to the previous year. However, Bitcoin's price is still 56% below its all-time high of $69,000. Will BNB continue to rise after the token burn? Binance burns 2 million BNB tokens, removing $674 million worth of tokens from circulation and reducing the amount of BNB in circulation to 155.2 million tokens. The quarterly burn is automatically adjusted based on the coin's price and the number of blocks generated on the BNB chain. The latest burn includes around 656 BNB as part of the exchange's Pioneer Burn program. Although BNB is currently trading at around $333, approximately half of its all-time high, analysts predict a bullish move for the cryptocurrency after the latest burn, as the BNB price chart looks decidedly bullish for numerous reasons. The most likely target for a top would be $453, and a daily close above the resistance area of $330 would confirm the bullish trend and could accelerate the bullish move. As always, please remember that we do not provide investment advice, and everyone must conduct their own analysis before deciding to make any purchases. Ripple launches a new product. Ripple has launched its new product, Ripple Liquidity Hub, to assist companies with crypto liquidity needs. The San Francisco-based firm announced the release of the service, which was launched as a pilot in 2022 and is now publicly available. Liquidity Hub is designed to provide companies with a simple and seamless way to manage their modern crypto liquidity needs and enable business users to access liquidity in a variety of assets, including cryptocurrencies, ETHs, and CBDCs. The system will essentially act as a bridge between crypto liquidity sources and fiat money for businesses, and will function as a standalone solution or an extension of Ripple's cross-border payment solution. The XRP token rose almost 7% on the day and has gained 44% over the last month. However, it remains 84% below its all-time high in January 2018. It should be noted that the resolution of the SEC lawsuit, a process that has been drawn out over time, is still pending. SOLANA unveils its first smartphone. SOLANA has launched the first web-focused smartphone, called Saga, which will run on Android and come preloaded with decentralized applications on the SOLANA network. In addition, it will also feature an integrated crypto wallet function for storing and managing digital assets. Users will be able to interact with these applications in a more convenient and accessible way. Saga also comes with a social networking function that will allow users to share content and connect with other users. The social networking feature will focus on privacy and security. The launch of Solana's Saga phone comes at a time when the crypto space is experiencing greater adoption and recognition from investors and the general public. With Solana leading the way with the launch of the Saga phone, it is likely that other companies will seek to capitalize on this trend and release their own smartphones focused on blockchain technology and B3. UNISWAP launches new wallet. UNISWAP has launched a wallet for iOS devices that allows users to exchange cryptocurrencies and tokens between Ethereum and other networks. The tool, developed by Uniswap Labs, offers self-custody, meaning that users control their private keys. The development code is open source, and the wallet is available in several countries through the Apple App Store. The tool allows for seamless trading on Mainnet, Polygon, Arbitrum, and Optimism, discovering top tokens by market capitalization, price and volume charts, and connecting to any application on Mainnet or Layer 2. In addition, users can view NFT details, choose a security method, and receive automatic notifications of any activity on the chain. The wallet also allows for buying cryptocurrencies using fiat, with fees of 2.55%. Uniswap highlights the distinctive character of self-custody, which makes DeFi safer and ensures that a centralized party cannot misuse cryptocurrencies. It is currently unknown whether the wallet will be available on Google Play. Security alert in MetaMask. Consensus has issued a data breach alert affecting over 7,000 MetaMask users between August 2021 and February 2023. The data breach targeted an external customer service provider, not the application itself. MetaMask users who did not contact customer service during the affected period have nothing to worry about. Any user who contacted MetaMask support and did not share personal information is also in the clear. The data breach could have exposed financial or economic information, name, last name, date of birth, phone number, and postal address. Consensus has halted unauthorized access and shared the breach with the Irish Data Protection Commission and the UK Information Commissioner's Office.
If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it with your family, friends, or enemies on your social networks.
Don't feel fucking